Today's video is a double feature 2 potato recipes that are about to change your kitchen game forever. Recipe 1, garlic butter potatoes. Let them cool down to room temperature. This step is key for that shatteringly crispy crust later. Step 2. Fry until crispy. Heat a nonstick pan over medium heat with just enough oil to coat the bottom. Drop in a small piece of butter now. It keeps the potatoes from sticking and adds incredible flavor. Quick question while these get crispy. Are you team crispy edges or team soft and buttery? Let me know below. Now, which one are you making first? These crispy garlic butter potatoes or the cheesy potato pizza skillet coming up next? Tell me in the comments. Speaking of pizza, let's get into recipe 2. Recipe 2, potato pizza egg skillet. Have you ever tried adding yogurt to your eggs before? Let me know in the comments. Cover the pan with a lid and cook on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Low and slow is the key here. It lets the eggs cook through gently without burning the bottom. Now here's my question for you. If you had to rate this dish right now, just from looking at it, what score would you give it out of 10? Drop your number in the comments. I read every single one. If you loved these 2 recipes, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to stop making boring potatoes and boring eggs. And subscribe to Emma Tips so you never miss a recipe that actually changes how you cook. Next time, I'm showing you another trick that blew my mind the first time I tried it. You're not going to want to miss it. See you then!